Welcome to next video in the C tutorials. Now in this video we are going to see the nested if statements in the decision statements. So let's start the video. So our topic is nested if statement. In the previous video we have discussed that if else statement. So it is possible to take only two decisions. Then we have also discussed else if statement also. If means if we use multiple times else if, then that many number of decisions we are going to take using else if. Similarly, this nested if statement also used to take multiple decisions. The nested if means simply we are using again if else block inside one if or else block. You will get clear idea when you see that syntax. Like you can see here, inside a if we again use if else statement. See, you can see here, inside a if we again using if else. So again in else part also we are using if else. So this is known as nested if. The ultimate theme is to take multiple decisions. I think you have get an clear idea on the syntax of nested if. Now let us see a example to get more clear idea on this nested if. So I am considering a example. Create a program to find greater number among the three numbers. So this is a example. So what we need to find? We need to find greatest number in the three numbers. So for that I am considering a three variables. Like in this printf I am advising the user enter any three numbers, and these three numbers I am going to scan in this ABCD variables. Now we should write the logic to find the greatest number among these three numbers. So first I am checking the condition if this A is greater than B or not. So here I am entering that condition if A is greater than B. So now if A is greater than B, then it is clear that B is smaller than A, means B is not a greater number. Now again we need to check with this C also. So inside this I am writing A again, if A is greater than C, then what we need to print? We need to print A is a greater number. Like check B is smaller. Now again we checking with A and C. If A is greater than C, it is finally printing that A is a greater number. Otherwise, then C is a greater number. We need to complete this else part also. So if this F is false, then the compiler check the else condition. Means if A is greater than B, means false, means B is greater than A. Now it is clear that A is smaller one. So now we need to compare with this B and C. So like if B is also greater than C, here you need to write that B is greater number. Otherwise, if this is also false, then it comes to else part, means C is greater than B. Now which one is greater? C is greater. So here you need to enter C. Now if you run the program, we need to check any errors are there or not. So it is successfully executing. Now we are going to give the numbers. like I need to check 2, 2, 3 and 4. Among this, which one is greater? Here 2, 3, 4. In these three numbers, 4 is a greater number. So then what is happening in the background? Like here, is this 2 is greater than 3 or not? So this if condition is fail. Again it comes to else part. So again it is checking, it is confirmed that 2 is not a greater number with this code. Now here it is come to this if part. It is checking that is this 3 is greater than 4 or not. So this condition also get false. Then it is come to the else part, like the C is greater number, means the 4 is a greater number. So I think you have get clear idea on nested if statement. So don't forget to watch the previous videos and don't forget to watch upcoming videos. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.